Hi again, this is section 11.4, objective 1. I'm going to go through this one right here. Since I have enough room to write this on here, I wrote on a separate sheet of paper. So here it is. Okay. So first thing I would do is find the LCD. So the LCD is the least common denominator, least common multiple of my denominators, which is m times n minus 1. And now I want to multiply the left-hand side by it and the right-hand side by it. So I did that right here. Okay. If I multiply these two together, the m minus 1s cancels out and I get 4 times m. If I multiply these two together, nothing cancels out, so I just get 9m times n minus 1. On the right-hand side, the m's cancel out and I get negative 7 times m minus 1. Okay, so that's the first step. Let me just move this up here. Okay. Now what I want to do is apply the distributive property here and here. Okay, so this one gives me 9m squared minus 9m, negative 7m plus 7. Okay, now I'm going to add like terms on the left side. 5m minus 9m gives me negative 5m. And now I'll bring everything to the left-hand side. So I added 7m to each side, so that gives me 2m. And then I subtracted 7 from each side. So now I have in the correct form, it's in quadratic form. So we're going to use a quadratic formula. My a is 9, my b is 2, and my c is negative 7. So again, here's my quadratic formula. So it's negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 2, minus 4 times a, which is 9, times c, which is negative 7. And that's all over 2 times a, 2 times 9. Okay, this becomes 18 on the denominator, 2 squared this becomes 4, and 4 times 9 times negative 7 gives me positive 252. If I add those together, I get 256. I just realized I got this wet. I dropped my drink on there, so just ignore that part. The square root of 256 is 16. So I have negative 2 plus or minus 16 over 18. Again, the square root of 256 is 16. So going down here are my two answers. It's a minus and a plus. Negative 2 minus 16 gives me negative 18 over 18, which gives me negative 1. That's one answer. And negative 2 plus 16 gives me 14 over 18. And then 2 goes into both of those, so I get 7/9. Okay, so that's that one. Just so you guys know, this objective 2 is optional. We're not going to cover that. And that also takes care of this one as well. So next video we'll cover objective 3.